Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're watching me, this is Naburuk Isaac Brain Power. Today I'm doing a session of reading from Daughter of Nature and other poems. We focus on a poem called A Village of Many Colors by Macharia Mwangi. If you're joining for the first time, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. A Village of Many Colors by Macharia Mwangi. At a place not far from the city lies a village of many colors, of a people satisfied and happy, a place of rest for many travelers.